The $1,000, it's going to basically providing masks to the community, providing harm reduction kits, including hand sanitizers, socks, all sorts of different things that they can use to protect themselves in the community, and especially during these COVID times. We're leveraging our IT skills to basically wipe, restore, and resurrect 10 PC and laptop computers so that they can provide them to the community here, so that they can get online and access essential services. Good Employees comes around. It's definitely an opportunity to get out in the community and support an organization. This organization, or this experience, has been really powerful in that it's an eye-opener.
Today was a little overwhelming. We've been talking about this event for the last couple of weeks, but I don't think the staff or I really realized what Tbaytel support meant. And so we did not expect to see this many volunteers out on a Saturday morning, and to see them so enthusiastic about helping us out. It's really overwhelming. The staff from Tbaytel have been asking questions about the work that we do and how we do it, and talking to our members and showing our community the different resources that are available here, just throwing themselves right into it. So it's really quite overwhelming. At this point in time, with COVID being what it is, globally we're all taking steps to reduce harms, and so this is a really good time for us to be talking about lots of different ways in which we can reduce harm in the community.